Namaskar. Today we're going to talk about 5 exercises to reshape your body in just 4 weeks. Achieving fitness is a challenging journey that demands dedication, drive, self-control, and persistence. The most difficult aspect of adopting and sustaining a healthy routine is taking that initial leap and beginning your journey. Once you overcome this obstacle, progress follows naturally. When you witness improvements, it becomes nearly impossible to abandon your efforts. Starting doesn't require extensive preparation. For newcomers, the crucial first step is ensuring your nutrition is properly managed. As the saying goes, ABS are made in the kitchen. So if you want to get in shape, you must begin with your eating habits. After your nutrition is sorted, the following step is to master your exercise routine. If you've been attempting to embrace a healthier way of life or wish to be more active, but are unsure where or how to begin, these 5 movements are ideal for any newcomer looking to make a beneficial transformation to their routine in just 4 brief weeks. Remember that these movements all demand proper technique to avoid injury. If you're uncertain about any of the exercises or struggle with performing them, seek guidance from a fitness professional before proceeding. Now, continue reading for 5 straightforward exercises that will reshape your body in weeks. Exercise No the plank. The plank is a core movement that strengthens your abdominal region, shoulders, and back. It is among the most crucial exercises you can perform because it builds your core and aids with posture. It also helps reduce or prevent back discomfort and enhances your balance. A powerful core will boost your overall performance and aid with the everyday activities you complete daily. By training your core, you strengthen your entire body and protect yourself from unnecessary injury. The plank also helps build and develop your abdominal muscles. How to perform. Get down on the floor in a push-up stance. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. Ensure your elbows are positioned directly under your shoulders. Make certain your body forms a straight line. Activate your core. Try pulling your stomach toward your spine and maintain the position. For newcomers, attempt holding the pose for 30 seconds and gradually increase duration as you advance. Exercise number 2, the push-up. Push-ups are among the most classic and essential exercises available. They function as a full-body movement and develop strength in your forearms, chest, shoulders, back, abs, and legs. They also activate your core and boost your strength. Push-ups are a compound movement, meaning they target multiple muscle groups simultaneously. The beauty of push-ups is that, like planks, you don't need any special gym equipment. You can perform them at home, outdoors, or wherever you choose. How to perform. Place your hands on the ground directly under your shoulders. Tighten your core and ensure your entire body is straight, keeping your back flat and straight. Lower your body toward the floor. Keep your core engaged. Exhale and push yourself back up. Ensure your entire body stays in a perfectly straight line throughout the movement. Exercise number 3, the squat. The squat is another compound movement that effectively works multiple muscles throughout your body. It's one of the fundamental exercises to strengthen your core. Legs, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, hips, and back. Squats are a cornerstone exercise for increasing lower body strength. They promote muscle growth, strengthen joints, and improve balance. Squats also activate your core and lower back while enhancing posture simultaneously. How to perform. Stand facing forward with your chest up and feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your head up and allow your back to arch slightly. Ensure it doesn't round. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as parallel as possible. Press your weight into your heels, then push through your heels to return to the starting position. Begin with just your body weight, and as you improve, you can progress to adding additional weight to your squat. Exercise number 4, the bird dog. Like the plank, the bird dog works your core along with your lower back and helps enhance overall balance. The bird dog will also strengthen your back, particularly your lumbar spine. It's beneficial for strengthening your core and stabilizer muscles. How to perform. Get on the floor on all fours. Keep your core tight and spine and neck neutral, looking toward the floor. Your knees should be directly under your hips and wrists under your shoulders. Slowly extend your left leg up until parallel to the floor. Don't lift your leg above hip height. Once you do this, slowly lift your right arm, keeping it straight and parallel to the floor. Hold for several seconds, then bring your leg and arm down. Switch to the opposite arm and leg, and repeat. Exercise number 5. The glute bridge. The glute bridge is a movement that primarily targets your glutes, but also works your core and hips, making it essential for preventing lower back pain. You don't need any equipment for this exercise, so you can perform it anywhere, even in your living room. If you have a desk job and don't move enough, or if you experience frequent lower back pain, this exercise will strengthen your lower back and improve hip mobility. How to perform? Start by lying on the floor face up. Bend your knees and keep feet flat on the ground. Your arms should be at your sides with palms facing down. Slowly lift your hips up and away from the ground. Stop when your knees, hips, and shoulders form a perfectly straight line. Squeeze your glutes firmly and tighten your core. Hold for several seconds and return down. Final thoughts. Remember that a healthy body and excellent overall physique require months and even years of determination and hard work to achieve. Give yourself a head start by trying these exercises for 4 weeks and observe how your strength and body improve. Once completed, you're ready for the next step in your fitness journey. Always ensure you receive professional medical advice from your doctor before starting any new exercise program. Additionally, incorporate healthy eating into your lifestyle. A good exercise routine combined with proper nutrition will help improve your overall mental and physical health. If you have any underlying health conditions or injuries, consult with a doctor to determine the safest exercises for you to perform. Remember, consistency is essential. You won't see results immediately, but if you maintain a regular workout routine combined with healthy eating, you'll start noticing gradual changes in your physique and overall health. Namaskar.